Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kay National Secretary jong ka National People's Party ka Dr. Amprin Ningdo hak arhui Tarik Ïaïong araja apsan kala pentip baka Jingïalang baningkong ka National Executive Committee jong ka parti kan Shillong hanong ba Shillong hak apsau Tarik Ïaïong araja apsan hak Jingïalang bekila pasai khubor ka Dr. Amprin kalaong baka Jingïalang kan sia theriatai sani kumno ban pentelun ni kikam ba ikathok jong ka parti nakmanta ka samoy tray kam ka balai snam jong ka parti.
So I would like to start with one observation, that there is some silent debates that are circulating the state of Meghalaya in the national status that the National People's Party enjoys. There is some suspiciousness as to why a party from a small state like Meghalaya should have a national presence. I believe that most of this information of all the work that we do to unite the entire Northeast is not fully understood by the people of the state of Meghalaya. We as a state have seen the performance of several parties, both state level as well as national level. And the closest that we can see of the works of a political party in the state would be the INC. And we have seen during the tenure when the INC was at its peak and serving the people of the state of Meghalaya, the connection between state and center is an important connection. So I would like firstly to put to rest suspiciousness of individuals who feel that NPP, being a national party, would suffer some losses in as far as its presence in the entire Northeast. This is a wrong perception of our party, and I believe that as a party, we must inculcate the need for a united Northeast voice. In the recent years, you must have seen the challenges being faced by all northeastern states. And whenever the northeastern states clustered together and voiced their opinion, usually it is taken seriously and it is heard by Government of India. That is the intention of the operation of the National People's Party at a national level. Today, if you go to any state, you will see, not just in the Northeast, but in the rest of India as well, that there is an interest being shown for candidatures of candidates in several electoral procedures. Having said that, I am very grateful to the Honorable National President, Mr. Conrad Sangma, along with the working president, Mr. James Sangma, for seeing me fit to serve the party as a national secretary. We are going to have our first executive committee meeting in Shillong on the 24th of April, where I am sure the people of Meghalaya will be privileged to be addressed by the national president on all of our plans and actions to be taken in the next coming 3-year term of this executive body. I will, with all humility, take up any task that my party deems me fit and capable of taking up. And yes, I will ensure that while we operate in the Northeast and in the rest of India, we must not forget issues that are close to the people of the state of Meghalaya. And yes, we have to fight some of these battles on a united voice. The one Northeast, one voice policy that our party has been participating in all these years. I look forward to this assignment, and I look forward to being an important voice that will help Government of India look and face towards the Northeast to achieve some of the long pending demands that we've had as a region and particularly as a state.